Scientists just announced a 500 million year old fossil Pompeii that may have solved a few fossil mysteries. The animal behind me is called a trilobite. It's one of the most famous kinds of fossils, and specimens of these animals can be found worldwide. These small little ocean-dwelling creatures roamed the Earth for more than 269 million years, and they completely died out before the first dinosaur was ever born. Despite being so ancient, they have an amazing fossil record. Over 22,000 species of trilobites have been named so far. Trilobites are so common in the fossil record because of their hard exoskeletons that are easily preserved in the marine environment that they used to live in. But despite being known from literally millions of fossil specimens, there are still some mysteries about these animals, including what some of the soft parts of their bodies look like. Until now. The images behind me are beautifully preserved fossil trilobites that were found in Morocco. Now, Morocco's already pretty well known for its amazing trilobite specimens, but these fossils announced in a paper on June 28th are on a whole other level. These images are micro-CT scans of the fossils. Check out all its majesty! The fossils from this location preserve the trilobite's soft parts in incredible detail, including some structures that have never been seen before. Look at the amazing small hairs preserved on the trilobite's legs. And this lumpy thing called a labrum, which had never been seen by scientists on a trilobite before now. One specimen even preserved its intestines and the small tiny slit that was its mouth. These amazing fossils have allowed scientists to unravel some long-standing mysteries about the soft structures around a trilobite's mouth, and how these structures are related to the trilobite's modern living relatives. So how did these trilobites become so perfectly preserved? Well, it turns out they were victims of a volcano. More specifically, a pyroclastic flow, which is the fast-moving cloud of ash and gas that ejects out of a volcano when it erupts. In this case, the pyroclastic flow went into the ocean and became an underwater cascading ash slurry that both suffocated and entombed the trilobites living there. One of the trilobites even had pyroclastic material in its guts, suggesting that it sucked up some of that ash-filled water before succumbing to its final fate. A combination of being buried quickly and some of the unique chemistry caused by the pyroclastic flow interacting with the ocean water is what led to the soft parts being preserved so well. A veritable trilobite Pompeii.